and welcome to another Free.volous episode. Yes, it's me and the neighbor's dog and my dog walking around. Yay! So this is another pretty quick tutorial on the ultraviolet looks. This is a bit more simple, more daytime appropriate, maybe. I really like it. It's really quick and easy. It only takes 2 eyeshadows and a bit of blending, not too much. I paired it with just a sculpted face and more of a cool tone lippy, just to make it a bit more different and I think interesting. I hope you like this tutorial. If so, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave me ideas for what to do with my first YouTube payment. Check my previous video for more information on that. And yeah, thank you for spending your time on me, and let's roll with the tutorial. So here we go. I hope this is short and sweet. First, I'm going to apply a little bit of an off-white eyeshadow to my eyes. This is totally optional. Next, I'm gonna go with a matte purpley shade. I like this one because it's not too dark, not too light, not too blue, nor too pink, so it's really nice. And I'm going to start applying it to the outer corners of my eyes, but then I'm going to blend it into the whole lid. So yeah, that's basically what I'll do, but most of the product I want to be on the outer edge of the eye and around the crease. So I will keep on building up the intensity and blending out with this sort of fluffy but flat brush that I really like from Zoeva. Next, I'm going in with the shimmery shade, and this is a lilac shimmer, so it's a light color. It's very beautiful and it's really inexpensive. It's by NYX, and I'm applying it basically to the whole lid, focusing on the center and leaving the outer corner bare. Now I'm just bringing the matte color underneath my eyes and smoking it a bit and reinforcing the outer corner a tad bit. Of course, I will blend it out again. That's basically it, my lovelies. I'm just gonna go line the inner rim of the eyes with my black eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply mascara. I'll only apply it to the top lashes, but you can do whatever you prefer. You can go top and lower lashes. Here's the eye look. Taking care of the rest of the face, I'm going to take my brow pencil and take care of my brows, which I totally screwed up overlining them, but there's nothing like having a fringe, my dears. Botox of the pore and the perfect concealer for overdrawn eyebrows. As I said on the intro, I'm not going to do blusher. Today it's just a bit of bronzer on my cheeks, and then I'm going to slightly chisel my cheekbones with a bit of contour powder. This is by Kevin Aucoin. But yeah, the combo of the two and really blending them together gives me that cool tone, but not too cool that it looks unflattering. And again, I'm using my favorite of the moment highlighter. This is the Stila one, and I'm so sorry that I didn't get a picture of the packaging, but you know what I'm talking about, I suppose. I'm such an idiot. Now I'm just erasing the dark circles with a touch of concealer, and I'm going to go with that cool toned nude-ish lipstick. I really like this formula with this specific color. It's really comfortable to wear and it looks really nice with this eye look. It just doesn't smell the best. So here are a few shots of the final look. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and I hope that you replicate it. Post a picture on Instagram and tag me. Don't forget that you can use whatever you have on your stash, and there are very affordable options out there. This eyeshadow by NYX is phenomenal, and the one by Makeup Geek also. So yeah, Yeah, that being said, thank you for spending your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Oh, I'm so pretty. Bye!